Welcome back. Congress recently passed sweeping legislation aimed at protecting children online. This decision has left many people split on what they feel is right, with one national attorney who represents families in tech harm saying that the new law may not be what it appears. Robert Fornatero has more.
Monday night on June 29th, the House passed the Kids Internet and Digital Safety Act, known as the KIDS Act, in a bipartisan vote of 267 to 117. The bill targets dangers posed by social media platforms and AI chatbots and includes measures on age verification, minors' access to sexually explicit material, limits on design features that result in compulsive usage, and tools that allow parents to monitor the total time their child spends on a platform. West Virginia's two House members, Representatives Carol Miller and Riley Moore, both voted in favor of the bill.
The KIDS Act, it hands parents a steering wheel that isn't connected to an engine. On paper, it does look like a big win. But what most parents don't realize, and why they're probably overestimating this bill, is that it quietly stripped out the one provision that had real teeth, called the duty of care. That was the part that would have made platforms legally responsible for designing their products to actually be safe. And without it, you get a lot of buttons and a lot of dashboards and very little actual accountability.
But one of the biggest concerns that Beller raises isn't just about what this bill does, but more about what it could possibly take away.
This bill's most important provision isn't actually about protecting kids. It's about protecting big tech from the families of the kids that it's hurting. Right now, when a child is groomed or exploited on a platform, families can bring those cases in state court under product liability, under negligence theories. But if that door gets narrowed or closed at the federal level, you've taken away the one tool that's actually been working.
So what can West Virginia parents do now? Well, Beller says regardless of what happens in the Senate, parents should not wait for legislation to act. She also notes that age verification requirements could lead platforms to collect sensitive data from users, not just minors, raising additional privacy concerns. The KIDS Act now moves to the Senate, where it is expected to face significant debates from both parties. Keeping you connected, Robert Fornatero, 5 News.